Hi to all, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about some tricky programs in Java. So let's start our video. First program. Here int I equal to 0 to 8 and I am trying to print I. What will be the output of this program? Commonly says that it is 28, but it is incorrect. Normally, any value starts with 0 like 0 to 8 called as octal values. So octal values always start with a 0 like 012, 022, etc. Normally, octal values contains 0 to 7 digits. So in our example, I contain a digit 8. So it does not exist as an octal number. So it will print an error message. If I contains 0 to 7, then what will be the output? It will not print 27 or 0 to 7. First, it convert into decimal number format, that is normal number. So the decimal number format of 0 to 7 is 23. So it will print 23. Next program. Here a variable v of type int. I am trying to store a character k into this variable and print. What will be the output of this program? So many people guess it gives an error because we can store only integer values into that variable. But it is wrong. Normally a k has ASCII code 107. So when we try to store a letter k into v which is int type, then it will store ASCII code which is 107. So it will print 107 as an output. Next program. In this program, I contains a value which is byte type and j contains a value which is also byte type and k contains addition of above two values which is also byte type. So what will be the output of this program? So many people guess 20 is the answer, but it is incorrect. Why? Because generally if any competition done in Java like addition of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, any competition, the end results automatically stored as an integer value. In our example, I plus j is an integer value. Normally int is 4 bytes, but byte is only 1 byte. So it is not possible to convert a big value into the small value without typecasting. So it will give you an error. Next program. Here in the first line I am trying to print a message, hi, how are you? And in the second line I am trying to print a message, welcome to Java. But in the second line I write some Unicode. So what will be the output of this program? Majority of people says that there is no output because these two statements are comments. But it will print a message, welcome to Java. The reason for this is that Java compiler parses the Unicode character /u00d as a new line and gets transferred into like this. If you like this video, please do subscribe and press bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.